Hi, I'm Darcy of Darcy Decorates. Today's tip, how to wash your pastry bag with ease. If you've ever tried to wash your pastry bag, it can be a nightmare to get clean. But let me show you a really simple way to do it. First thing you want to do is squeeze out all the excess frosting that you're not using. And the best way to do that is to hold your fingers very, very tight. Like you don't want any frosting getting through. So you're gonna hold the bag in between and then push. And just push it out, push it out. I squeeze it with my other part of the hand. All right, that's the first pass. Now I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna start from the top and just do it. I should just be pushing it. There you go. And then what I like to do is actually push, kind of like your toothpaste tube. When you're like, oh, I just wanna get a little more. There you go. So I got it all out. Now it's ready to be washed. So you want to pour quite a bit of dishwashing liquid into your bag, turn it back out right, and then just work it and just move it and massage it. Also, it's all nice and squishy all over the place. When I'm done with doing that, I just put it under the faucet and fill it with really warm water, as hot as you can stand. And then I fill it and pinch off a little bit and shake it. Let the water pour out, and then I rinse really, really good. And then your pastry bag is clean. Thanks for watching. I'm Darcy. Bye.